Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Excuse me,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How is everybody doing?
I'm nice.
Nice.
Good.
Okay, that's really good. But it is a combined class, all the three sections together. Now you tell me what exactly would you like to do? Worksheet or
Ma'am,
continue? Huh?
history.
History?
Something oral.
Something, this is what, no? Something like worksheet?
I'm orally.
Oral only.
Ma'am,
No,
we
no
can
written,
have a
no written.
quiz.
No written, oral only, but let us do worksheet, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. Okay. How to keep a track? Who all are there? I need to check everybody in the class. Just a second. Many are not attending their classes today due to some of the other problem. Okay. Good morning, Ajit. Good morning, Ajit beta. Shall I share the same worksheet that we could not complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Anna?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Geography one?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you people said history.
Yes, ma'am. Many times.
Okay. Can we have the cameras on for all? Just for a few minutes. Okay. What about Aditya? Oh, look at Aditya. What have you made yourself? Huh? Okay. Fine. For
Ma'am,
every
what will be the syllabus
Hi beta.
for UT?
What?
What will be the syllabus? Ma'am, syllabus for
The
UT.
syllabus would be all the chapters that we have done, except for
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning group, except for civics. All the other three parts that we have, one chapter, and civics first and the second chapter, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, for which purpose?
For which purpose means?
Ma'am, you are telling the syllabus.
Somebody had asked about the syllabus, so I said for civics first and second chapter, rest geography and history one chapter only. Documents. Acha, tell me one thing, those who know how to handle things in the mobile, I don't know, my internal storage has lost somewhere. How to regain that? How to get it back? Anybody can help me out?
Ma'am, take a backup.
Backup, how to take a backup?
मैम मैम किस कंपनी का है?
मेरा सैमसंग का है, A70 है.
Ma'am, go to second and there you will find a backup of.
Go to where? Go to where?
Ma'am, settings, mobile settings.
Settings. Okay. Mobile
Ma'am,
settings.
don't.
Then?
Ma'am, then your images will also go on. No, all the
images will also go. No, I
Yes,
don't want
ma'am.
to lose on the images. ये आकाश,
Man, you have to delete some things.
नहीं, that I have done, but still I am not able to get them back. How to get it back?
I'm so add up memory card.
Memory card already added. इसका
It's also full.
internal memory भी बहुत ज्यादा है बेटा इसकी. I took this one only because its
How
internal
much?
was quite high, so I preferred this one. Memory card डालने के बाद भी I don't know how I have lost. Everything has gone. All that important files that I had kept safe with me, वो सब निकल गया. अब I am not able to get how to get back things.
अच्छा मैम you want अच्छा मैम आपको वापस चाहिए वो सब.
हाँ बिल्कुल चाहिए बेटा. वो सारे जो फ्लो चार्ट्स और सब चीजें हमने करी थी क्लास में, वो सब इसमें गायब हो गया है.
मैम तो आप मेमोरी कार्ड में देखिए कि वहां पर तो इन सारे चले गए.
मेमोरी कार्ड खुली नहीं, उसके अंदर दिखाई नहीं रहा है. मेमोरी कार्ड में भी नहीं दिखा रहा है ये.
मैम आपने चेक करा स्टोरेज पे?
हाँ हाँ बेटा, हाँ सब कुछ करके देख लिया. इसलिए तो ज्यादा परेशानी हो रही है.
मैम वो व्हाट्सएप की थी या नॉर्मल आपने बनाई थी?
वो बनाई थी, बनी हुई थी. कुछ हमने शेयर किसी से लेके जो है वो हमने स्टोर करी हुई थी. अब वो वर्कशीट भी नहीं खुल रही है.
हम कहीं डिलीट तो नहीं हुई?
नहीं बेटा, डिलीट कैसे कर सकती हूँ मैं?
Has he taken its backup on Google Drive?
बैकअप इन द मोबाइल?
Yes, ma'am. If you have taken, then it can be.
नहीं, आई हैव नॉट
मैम
डन.
बैकअप करके देख लीजिए.
बैकअप करके देख लेना. सेटिंग्स में जाके हो जाएगा ना. चलो क्लासेस ओवर हो जाने तो फिर हम वो करते
यस
हैं.
मैम.
मैम
जी बेटा.
मैम बैकअप तभी होगा अगर आपने क्लाउड पे पहले से ही आपने अपनी स्टोरेज सेव करी होगी तब.
क्लाउड पे तो सेव है बेटा.
मैम
क्लाउड पे
बैकअप
सेव है ये. क्लाउड पे तो सेव है ये सब.
तो हो जाएगा मैम.
तो खुल जाएगा ना. चलो तो फिर हम ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाएंगे. तो हम इसको शाम को फिर वैसे ही देखेंगे. चलिए, तो अब हम ऐसा करते हैं. वर्बली ओनली आई हैव टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज इसमें तो कुछ भी खुल के नहीं दे रहा है मेरे को. एक मिनट रुको. स्टार मैसेजेस में भी देख लेते हैं, क्या पता शायद खुल जाए, है ना. What is the work status?
Ma'am, all work done.
Ma'am, work done.
Ma'am, work in
That's really
progress.
good. That's really very good.
But maps are left. Maps are left.
Why?
Ma'am, I'll complete it. Actually, I was not having the map, so I bought it just and then I will complete.
Okay.
Ma'am, geography agriculture chapter is just left.
Agriculture chapter, you don't be bothered for that. You can do it after getting back your notebooks, right?
Okay, ma'am, I'm done. All works are done, including maps also.
Ma'am, agriculture is also done.
What is left? शायद वापस आ रहा है वो. मैं उसी को ले रही हूँ. देखते हैं. गुड. एक पीडीएफ तो खुल गई बेटा. चलिए इसी को करके देखें. चलो दैट्स गुड. एक तो खुल गया. इसे दूसरा भी खोल ले रहे हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं कि ज्यादा उसको ज्यादा स्टोर करने से जो है फोन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती होगी, जो पहले के स्टोर करे हुए हैं वो खत्म हो जाते होंगे, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है ना फोन में सिस्टम?
No,
नो
ma'am.
मैम।
No, ma'am.
ठीक है,
Ma'am,
fine.
you can check all the PDF in the documents option in File Manager.
Nothing it is showing, beta, nothing it is showing. I always delete the images and I always keep these documents and links saved with me, no? But then documents, nothing it is showing. Chalo, my hard luck, what to say? I have to get them back again. Chaliye. Let us start with the worksheet. What was carbonary? Yash. What was carbonary?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, no idea.
This is chapter 1. Srishti?
May I?
Yes, Gargi.
It is the secret society to which Gustav Mazzini was a member.
It was a secret society to which Gustav Mazzini was associated.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Next is name any one country where language played a vital role in developing nationalist sentiments. Yes, Mohit?
Poland.
Poland. Very good. Which new social groups came into being as a result of the Industrial Revolution? Which new social groups came into being as a result of the Industrial Revolution?
And the middle class and the commercial class.
The middle?
This class and the middle class.
Your voice is not clear.
And the business class and the middle class.
Okay, the business class and the middle class. Fine. Then next is, what is meant by allegory?
Ma'am, an abstract idea, greed, even freedom is expressed through a person or thing.
Come again. What is allegory?
Ma'am, it is an abstract idea.
Huh?
Intense greed is expressed through a person or a thing.
That is allegory.
Yes, ma'am.
May I?
Yes, Naina. नहीं बेटा, आयुष ये तो नहीं है.
मैम यही है.
Naina?
It is an abstract idea which is used to express, which express things through a person or a thing.
Yes.
Ma'am, I said this.
हाँ. Ayush, this is the definition beta of allegory.
Ma'am, I also said this.
Greed बोल रहे थे आप तो बेटा.
मैम greed भी है.
Ma'am, liberty and freedom.
हाँ, liberty, freedom, ठीक है. Okay.
I said intense greed.
हाँ, मतलब intense ठीक है. अच्छा, ये intense समझ, मुझे तो greed सुनाई दिया था, intense सुनाई नहीं दिया था.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Name any 4 present states which were a part of the Balkans. Any 4 states which were part of the Balkans.
Ma'am, Greece, Romania, Bosnia,
Ma'am, Macedonia
Greece
and Bulgaria.
Bulgaria.
Ma'am, Siberia.
ठीक
Ma'am,
है.
Siberia, Romania.
Fine, fine. Samarth. Samarth, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Name any four present states which were who was characterized a revolutionary in the years following 1815? Who was characterized a revolutionary in the years following 1815?
I have no idea.
Anybody in the class?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Question is, who was characterized a revolutionary in the years following 1815?
Napoleon. I'm Napoleon.
Yes, very good, Dhananjay. Very good. It was Napoleon. Can you tell why he was characterized as a revolutionary?
Ma'am, they
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
ma'am, they
Ma'am, because he destroyed, ma'am, because he abolished many feudal system and he gave many liabilities to the people of France after after the war.
ma'am, Treaty of Vienna.
मैम मैं ट्राई
Yes, yes. Ajit?
मैम मैं ट्राई
Yes, try बेटा. नहीं आयुष अभी रुको 2 मिनट, अजीत को बताने दो.
Ma'am, after his defeat, ma'am, Treaty of Vienna also, ma'am.
ट्रीटी ऑफ वियना तो में तो उसका कोई रोल ही नहीं था नेपोलियन का. नेपोलियन तो हार गया था बैटल ऑफ वाटरलू. अच्छा, you are reading the chats also. Wait. Some have written in the chats also. Okay.
मैम मैं ट्राई
हाँ जी आयुष बताओ, ट्राई करो.
मैम because he established equality before law and right to property and abolished feudal system.
Very good. That is why he was considered as a revolutionary. ठीक है. इसमें अगर आप ये भी लिख दोगे that he brought several changes in the territories which were conquered by him and in France itself. That is why he was considered as a revolutionary. Yes, he gave equality before law. Very good, Hannah. Okay. Name any two secret societies founded in early 19th century Europe. Young Europe and
Young Europe.
हाँ, Young Europe and
Young Italy.
and ठीक है.
Young Italy and Young Europe.
ठीक है. Then what was the significance of July Revolution of 1830 in France? What was the significance of July Revolution of 1830 in France?
मैम
It
Bourbon
brought
dynasty.
about the abdication of the monarch.
और क्या था?
Ma'am, Bourbon dynasty was overthrown, constitutional monarch was set up, and Louis Philippe was made head.
Louis Philippe, very good. France became a constitutional monarchy and Louis Philippe was given the throne.
Monarch.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, and Belgium also break away from UK.
ये एक्चुअली फ्रांस के लिए पूछ रहा है ना, तो हम उसके यूके के का क्यों बताएंगे, है ना. हमें केवल फ्रांस का बताना है कि हाउ इट बेनिफिटेड फ्रांस. वो बुक में पूरा एक 2-3 लाइन में लिखा भी हुआ है कि भाई दिस 1848 का जो रेवोल्यूशन है फ्रांस को उसने ऐसे हेल्प करा कि वहां पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की एस्टैब्लिश हो गई थी, है ना.
Yes.
चलिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज what was the result of the Act of Union 1707 and when was Ireland incorporated? Yes, Ajit.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ. Any one of you can tell.
Ma'am, what we have to tell?
आपको बताना है कि कहाँ गया क्वेश्चन. What was the question? हाँ, question was what was the result of the Act of Union 1707 and when was Ireland incorporated? The Act of Union, England and Scotland resumes the provision of the ठीक है
Ma'am, United Kingdom of Great Britain was the result of Act of Union 1707.
और आयरलैंड कब इनकॉर्पोरेट हुआ था ब्रिटेन में?
Ma'am,
In 1801.
1801.
1801.
Very good, very good. 1801 it was incorporated. Very good. Next is how were aristocracy organized in the 19th century Europe? हमने aristocracy वाला टॉपिक पढ़ा है, उसमें वो पूछ रहा है कि aristocracy कैसे organized थी in the 19th century Europe.
Ma'am, the aristocracy was
Ma'am, they were high class landlord.
Ma'am, they
Yes,
were
ma'am.
dominant class.
politically, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they were united by a common way of life.
They were united
And
by
they used to speak French language for the purpose of diplomacy.
Yes, ma'am. They play.
Because of the
estates in the countryside and also townhouses.
ठीक है. What
Ma'am,
else?
they were
Yes.
Ma'am, they
Ma'am.
also spoke French for the purposes of diplomacy in high society.
Ma'am, they were less in
They
population.
hold property in countryside and town houses, and other new social groups were working in population sites, ma'am, and living in industrial side.
हाँ, जो आपका जो लैंडेड एरिस्टोक्रेसी थी वो काफी पॉलिटिकली अगर आप देखो और सोशली अगर आप देखो तो काफी डोमिनेंट थी इन द यूरोपियन कॉन्टिनेंट. ठीक है. दूसरा, इसके जो मेंबर्स थे दे स्पोक फ्रेंच फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ डिप्लोमेसी. ठीक है. एंड देयर फैमिलीज वर कनेक्टेड बाय द टाइज ऑफ मैरिजेस. ठीक. चलिए.
Yes,
Next question is, mention two territorial changes that occurred due to the Congress of Vienna. Mention two territorial changes that occurred due to the Congress of Vienna.
Ma'am, it means Treaty of Vienna.
The Bourbon dynasty was restored to power.
बेटा territorial changes बताने हैं आपको बच्चे.
France lost the territories it had annexed under Napoleon.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Our
France
series
lost its territory which had
Set on
anexed.
the boundaries of France.
expansion in future.
दोबारा ये आप मिक्स हो गया, मैं सुन नहीं पाई ठीक से आप लोगों को. दोबारा बताओ इसका आंसर.
A series of states was set up on the boundaries of France to plan the France expansion in future.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट बताओ.
Then Russia was given a part of Poland and Prussia was given a portion of Saxony.
बिल्कुल. नॉर्दर्न इटली एंड रशिया वाज गिवन पार्ट ऑफ पोलैंड. ठीक है. ये टेरिटोरियल चेंजेस थे. बेटा देखो क्वेश्चन को आपको समझना है कि क्या पूछ रहा है वो. ठीक है. हमें पता है ट्रीटी ऑफ वियना के बहुत सारे प्रोविजंस थे, बट अगर हम बात करते हैं टेरिटोरियल चेंजेस की तो केवल टेरिटोरियल चेंजेस के बारे में ही आपको बताना है. ठीक है बेटा. देन
Yes.
give two results of the February Revolution of 1848 in France. Two results of February Revolution in 1848 in Europe. बताओ दो चेंजेस. बड़े इजी है बेटा ये तो.
Constitutional monarch was set up.
वो तो अलग चीज हो गया. उसके अलावा दो क्या थे.
Ma'am, king.
हाँ.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
One king was overthrown.
Yes. The two give two results of the February Revolution of 1848 in France. तो February Revolution का first तो ये हुआ कि मोनार्क जो था वो एब्डिकेट कर गया था, भाग गया था. और दूसरा यूनिवर्सल मेल सफरेज जो था वो इस्टेब्लिश हुआ और फ्रांस वाज डिक्लेयर्ड अ रिपब्लिक. फ्रांस वाज डिक्लेयर्ड अ रिपब्लिक ऑन द. ये निखिल नेहरा क्लास में है क्या ऑलरेडी? Is Nikhil already there in the class? ये
No,
हमने
ma'am.
नहीं.
No, ma'am.
Let me see. Nikhil, is this you?
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Yes, बेटा पूछो बच्चे.
मैम सबसे पूछना है मैम एक क्वेश्चन.
हाँ पूछो पूछो. You want to ask a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me be over with my questions first. बस 2-3 और हैं, थोड़े से मैं देख लें यहाँ पे ना. Then what fueled the French Revolutionary Wars? Give 2 reasons. What fueled the French Revolutionary Wars? French Revolutionary Wars को किसने fuel करा था?
Food shortages and widespread unemployment.
Yes.
Riots because of shortages of food and subsistence crisis.
Very good. Very good.
Exploitation of the weavers as well.
हाँ. ये सारे reasons आप दे सकते हो इसमें.
Exploitation of third state people.
ठीक है. Then the next question is, where and by whom was the new German Empire proclaimed? Where and by whom the German Empire was the new German Empire proclaimed?
Ma'am, Ottoman Bismarck.
Okay, Ottoman Bismarck. उसने proclaim करा था German Empire को.
William
Yes,
Kaiser.
ma'am.
हाँ.
मैं Kaiser William.
William Kaiser.
Kaiser
Kaiser William one. William Kaiser one.
Yes,
Kaiser.
Kaiser William थे. हाँ और कौन था?
At the Hall of Mirrors.
हाँ जी.
Versailles.
हाँ, proclamation of the German Empire took place in the halls of mirror at Versailles, where Kaiser William was given the throne of the nation.
German nation.
Right? Very good. Next is, name the English poet who organized funds and also participated in the Greek War for Independence.
Lord Byron.
Lord Byron.
Okay, Lord Byron. Very good, Stuti.
Byron.
Then name one French romantic painter of 19th century. Name one French.
Robert Sorre.
Frederick Sorry.
Robert.
Ma'am, John Gottfried Herder.
Johann Gottfried Herder.
Herder.
ठीक है. जो और कौन सा था? बस एक ही है.
Ma'am, but that was
Frederick Sorre.
फेडरिक सोरे नहीं था बेटा.
Ma'am, Carlo Kurmins. Like that, ma'am.
Karol Karpinski.
Karol Karpinski.
नहीं. French romantic painter of 19th century.
Ma'am, Ottoman Werner.
नहीं. कहाँ पे दिया हुआ है ये? हाँ. बताओ भाई जल्दी से. इतना इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है ये. बुक में ही दिया हुआ है आपके. पेज नंबर.
पेज नंबर.
फ्रेंच का ही नहीं पता सबका कुछ.
Anybody for this answer?
Ma'am, Delacroix.
हाँ.
Eugene Delacroix.
Delacroix was one of the most important French romantic painters. चलिए.
Eugene Delacroix.
हाँ जी. Next is, how was the message of nationalism carried to the illiterate masses in Poland? How was the message of nationalism carried to illiterate masses in Poland?
through folk dances and
Through vernacular languages and the collection of local folklore.
मेरे ख्याल से जो चर्च गैदरिंग थी उनमें और रिलीजियस इंस्ट्रक्शंस में यूज हो रही थी शायद, इसी के थ्रू
through music and
हाँ बेटा ये तो कैरल
Ma'am, there's a
था ना. हाँ, where it is written, tell.
ma'am on page number 15.
हाँ हाँ, और ये तो कैरल क्रिप्सिकी के बारे में दिया गया है ना कि भाई उसने यूज करा इसको.
No, ma'am, the first paragraph.
ठीक है, राइट. हाँ, the emphasis on vernacular language and collection of local folklore. Very good. Next is name the ruler and the states which gave leadership in Italian unification. Name the ruler and the states which gave up leadership in Italian unification. Which gave leadership in Italian unification.
on Camillo Caver.
हाँ, कैमिलो डी कैवर हो गया. फिर
Giuseppe Garibaldi.
Giuseppe Garibaldi.
Garibaldi.
Very good.
Garibaldi.
And
and Giuseppe Mazzini.
Giuseppe Mazzini तो ऑलरेडी रेवोल्यूशनरी था ही, उसके अलावा किस और ने दिया था?
I'm Victor Emmanuel II.
Victor
Victor
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel.
Yes, Victor Emmanuel II. Very good. Then name the clubs established by the French revolutionaries / middle classes in France.
Jacobin clubs.
Huh? It was
Ma'am, Jacobin clubs.
Jacobian Club.
very good. Very good. Next is the land holdings of Eastern Europe were cultivated by whom? The land
Small farmers and tenants.
small farmers and tenants. Small owners and tenants. Very good. In which year customs union was established? Class, in which year customs union was established?
1734.
77.
Huh?
Ma'am, 1830.
1834. Very good. Very good. Who described Giuseppe as the most dangerous enemy of the social order?
Duke Metternich.
Duke Metternich.
Duke Metternich. Very good. In France, this is a blank. Okay, fill up the blank. In France, constitutional monarchy was established consequent to the Dash Revolution of 1830 with Louis Dash as a head.
And July Revolution and Louis Philippe.
It was February Revolution and the second blank
Louis
is
Philippe.
Louis Philippe. Very good. Huh? First one is February Revolution.
Yes.
Sorry, July Revolution. July, not February, July.
February was in 9th class. Me.
July
Yes,
Revolution. Sorry. Right. Then next is this treaty recognized Greece as an independent state.
Ma'am, Treaty of
Treaty of
Constantinople.
Constantinople.
Treaty of Constantinople. In which year can you tell?
1827.
1832.
1832. Very good. 1832. Which were the years of great hardships in Europe?
1830s.
1830s. Very good. 1830s. Then women were dash participants in the liberal movements. Women,
Participants.
they were
Participants.
Beta, your voice is not clear. What were they?
Excluded.
Participants.
बिल्कुल आवाज समझ में नहीं आ रही है आप लोगों की.
Can you repeat?
My question is, women were dash participants in the liberal movement.
Active.
मैं more.
नहीं बेटा, active. Women were active participants in the liberal movements. ठीक है, because they organized the suffrage movements and all, no? ठीक है. Women were admitted to the Frankfurt Parliament only as dash. What? As?
Observers.
हाँ, as observers. They were like audiences who were told to sit and witness what was going on. Then dash were the large landowners in Prussia.
Junkers.
Junkers, very good. Junkers.
Junkers.
Huh? Junkers. Then who was the... What is the German parliament known as? What is the German parliament known as?
Reichstag.
Reichstag, very good. The most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871 was the area called dash.
The Balkans.
Very good.
Balkan.
Very good. Hmm. Who unified Germany with an iron hand?
Giuseppe Mazzini.
Giuseppe Mazzini.
Germany.
Oh, ma'am.
Kaiser Wilhelm.
Ma'am, Kaiser Wilhelm.
Kaiser Wilhelm
And the
first.
Prussian head.
बेटा, who unified Germany with an iron hand? अभी किसी ने बताया था इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में, मतलब कुछ देर पहले वाले क्वेश्चन.
Otto von Bismarck.
Yes, it was Otto von Bismarck. Otto von Bismarck. हाँ. Which area was known as the power keg of Europe? Which area was known as the power keg of Europe?
And the Balkans area.
The Balkans, very good. It was the Balkans. Fine. Anytime the meeting will end. See, all these questions which I have asked you, they are between the chapter. Like this only, I have made the question paper. I have nothing given from the back. I have taken everything from the inside of the chapters, right? So you need to be thorough with your chapters. I hope today's class was little helpful in getting out something from the chapters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. Some more
Yes, ma'am.
questions like this we will do in the other classes for the revisions. There I will share the screen with you.